face, close your eyes. Get back, because it's gonna be... Hi guys, welcome back. We decided to go out camping in a thunderstorm, apparently.
In a mosquito storm?
Yeah, and the mosquitoes are horrible, I guess, because it's gonna rain,
thick.
so they're really bad. So we're gonna quickly get set up and get our tarp out because, like, by the looks of it, it's coming down soon.
Well, it's supposed to.
Yeah. A lot of scratching going on. Oh no, we haven't used these in
Talk about timing.
We just got set up. Oh my gosh. The rain, it's pouring down now. Uh-oh. It's pouring now. Well, it stopped raining now.
Take this opportunity to do the cooking now before it pours again.
Yeah, it was just kind of coming in everywhere there.
Pork chop time.
We're having pork chops and rice and veggies. We thought we'd cook a little bit more because it's raining, and what else are you gonna do?
I'm hungry.
Me too. Oh, that was a bad way to do it.
Way to go.
The burner's on. I didn't want to ruin it.
Gotta hurry.
I'm wasting valuable water.
It just rained.
I know. Yay, we got our food cooked and we're starving now.
I'm starving. Yes.
Yeah, we have rice and veggies and pork chops. So I think we're just gonna plate this and chow down and then...
Yeah, we'll relax for a bit.
Yeah.
See how that goes.
We're hungry. Well, it's pouring rain out there right now. We got a few mosquitoes in here too.
We'll be snacking on us later, but
Yeah, so we're gonna go to bed, but make sure you stay tuned for the morning because we have a bunch of trail cams we set up. So we're gonna go check them and see if we got some footage. Night. Morning. We've actually been up for a little bit now, but we're gonna go check our trail cam. So we're gonna go for a little walk to find it.
hopefully find it.
Yeah, I actually not really quite sure where it is. We have a bunch set up here, so yeah, let's see.
Another blah day.
Yeah. Yay, we found it. Let's go check it. Well, we got our multiple cameras And
We got some footage here, so let's see what we got here. These cameras have been up for a week or more, so
let's see what we
there's
got.
one right there. So